Today I will show you how to create a ProMist filter in DaVinci Resolve. Over here on our timeline I have two footages, so let's try with the first one. Select your footage and go in the color page. Over here we need to extend the node, and Alt or Command plus S, we are adding one more node. Now expand the effects and we need to look for Gaussian blur. Drag it and drop it to our second node. Over here in the effects we need to bump up the horizontal and vertical straight all the way up, and saturation need to go all the way down. Next thing that we need to do is right click on our second node and search for composite mode. From here we need to choose screen. This worked the best. Now when we have the effect we need to go in the curve down here and choose the first one, custom. We need to lower the luminance. This is up to your liking. So let's try the second footage as well. Go in the edit, let's repeat the same process, select our footage, go in color, and we are adding one more node. Just drag the Gaussian blur and put it to our second node. Bump up the horizontal and vertical strength and lower down the saturation. We need to change the composite mode and screen. Now is the time to lower down the luminance. Because this is a daylight, we're gonna go even less than this, something like this. Let's check the first footage and the second footage. And this is before the effect and after the effect. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.